Puerto Rico competed at the 2004 Summer Olympics in Athens, Greece, from 13 to 29 August 2004. This was the nation's 15th consecutive appearance at the Olympics. Puerto Rico Olympic Committee sent the nation's largest delegation to the Games since 1992 due to the presence of the men's basketball team. A total of 43 athletes, 32 men and 11 women, had competed in 15 sports, roughly larger by two-thirds of the nation's team size from the previous Games. 5 Puerto Rican athletes had previously competed in Sydney, including four-time Olympian and tornado sailor Enrique Figueroa and freestyle swimmer and two-time Olympic finalist Ricardo Busquets. Men's basketball was the only team-based sport in which Puerto Rico had its representation at these Games. Because of the nation's emerging presence to the team sport, team captain and NBA's Utah Jazz player Carlos Arroyo was appointed by the committee to carry the Puerto Rican flag in the opening ceremony. Puerto Rico also marked its Olympic debut in synchronized swimming and taekwondo. Puerto Rico left Athens without receiving a single Olympic medal for the second consecutive time. Figueroa and his new partner George Hernandez achieved the nation's highest placement at these Games after finishing 7th in the tornado class. Meanwhile, Mabel Fonseca originally claimed the 5th position in women's wrestling, but she committed an anti-doping violation, as she was tested positive for the steroid stanozolol. Athletics. Puerto Rican athletes have so far achieved qualifying standards in the following athletics events. Keynote ranks given for track events are within the athlete's heat only. Q equals qualified for the next round. Q equals qualified for the next round as a fastest loser or, in field events, by position without achieving the qualifying target. Near equals national record. NA equals round not applicable for the event. By equals athlete not required to compete in round. Men track and amp road events, combined events, decathlon, women track and amp road events, basketball. Men's tournament roster. The following is the Puerto Rico roster in the men's basketball tournament at the 2004 Summer Olympics. Group play, quarterfinals, classification match, boxing. Puerto Rico sent 5 boxes to Athens. Diving, women equestrian, show jumping, gymnastics, artistic, men judo. 3 Puerto Rican judoka qualified for the 2004 Summer Olympics. Sailing. Puerto Rican sailors have qualified 1 boat for each of the following events. Women Open. M equals medal race. OCS equals on course side of the starting line. DSQ equals disqualified. DNF equals did not finish. DNS equals did not start. RDG equals redress. Given. Shooting. Men swimming. Puerto Rican swimmers earned qualifying standards in the following events. Men-women synchronized swimming. 2 Puerto Rican synchronized swimmers qualified a spot in the women's duet. Taekwondo. Puerto Rico has qualified a single taekwondo jin. Tennis. Puerto Rico nominated a female tennis player to compete in the tournament. Volleyball. Beach wrestling. Key, VT, victory by fall. PP, decision by points, the loser with technical points. PO, decision by points, the loser without technical points.